Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to Northern Country Creations, and I thought I would pop on the camera real quick because I'm doing my covered spines. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I am going to do the next one here, and so I will show you how I do it. And this is covering a Reader's Digest book. So I have this is actually upholstery fabric, and I love the colors. It matches really well. This is the fern one I just did. And then there was a tear here, so I put a leaf around there. That's pretty cool. And then this one is this one. So I've got them standing up here. So I will just let you listen to the Christmas music that I have playing in the background while I show you this real quick. Thank you for joining me. It's very important to get the creases down on your book because pushing into the crease, is what you want, because it's once you put that on and it's going to pull away, you know, you crease here and it's going to pull this way. So you want to make sure they're in there good and go back and forth several times into that crease, because see, that needs to bend there. Sorry if I'm off frame. So that needs to bend there, and you want it to make sure it does. See? Okay, go back to the front, and of course I glue this down last because it's gonna pull. You know, I want it to get into this crease really well. So I push the book together like this to get that crease to really pop in there. And I run my bone folder up and down it several times to make sure it's going to stick good. And then little by little, just start bending your, you know, frame or the book cover. Because I don't let it dry and then fold it, because I don't know, I just don't do that. I find that the book opens and closes better once, you know, while it's drying. You know, this stuff is, you know, powerful stuff, and it's you know, going to stay once it's dry. So I just keep pushing it down and molding the edges in here of my spine, because remember, I'm going to have, what did I do with them? These. I'm going to have this sit into the middle of it, so I want to make sure that it stays down good and molds around the edge. So, and then I just start little by little letting it bend, and then keep running my bone folder up and down that crease, you know, allowing the fabric to stretch a little, and then just keep doing that so it's got a nice you know, edge there. Whoops. Oh, it keeps running off the edge there. Okay, so, and then like I said, push the book up so that, you know, those valleys stay. Then I go back and then run my bead along the edge here and push that out so those stay down, because it's done enough pulling as I have, you know, creased it in there, because once you crease it, it's going to pull from the edge. So see how when you push that, it pulls that in. So just keep doing that until the glue really grabs in there. Keep pushing that in, those corners, because that's where we're going to bend it. And then just keep doing that for a few minutes. I know some people just glue it, boom, and let it go. I just want a really good look to it, so I work it a little bit. That's how I do it. You can do it your way or however, but this is how I like to do it. And I just keep running my fingernails or the bone folder around that crease, and then just start, you know, bending the book, and just run your fingers down the crease there so it conforms. And once it's pretty well stable and everything is glued down good, you think, and it's grabbing and you've got it formed, then I leave it standing up just like this, and then I do the next one. So I just wanted to show you that's how I do it, and yeah, it's just a really quick video. I just wanted to show you that step on how I do it, and hope you enjoy my videos, and please subscribe and share if you like. Ask me any questions, and so everyone have a great day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.